Today, I'm going to be going over FieldPulse's maintenance agreements. This feature allows you to track maintenance agreements that you have set up for a customer, as well as show you when a service is required. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure that this feature is enabled underneath your company settings, features and plugins. And if you scroll down just a bit, you'll be able to enable that feature right here. Once that's been completed, you'll notice that the agreements tab over here populates underneath the schedule. Let's go ahead and click into that. And you'll notice a couple different display options. So the very first one is going to show you the maintenance agreements you have for the current month. If you'd like to view next month, if you'd like to customize a time frame, or if you'd like to see all of them, you can click right there. Let's go ahead and click into create a new agreement. So from here, you can include a title. You can select the status. You can choose a customer name. By selecting a customer, it is going to pull in that customer information, which is nice. If you scroll down, you'll be able to select the job frequency. So here you can change it to monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, annually, or keep it at semi-annually. The starting month, the starting year. You can attach a recurring billing here if you'd like to automatically generate an invoice and collect payments. Right below there, you can do the billing frequency, the price per bill. That will automatically populate that total annual price. And if you scroll down just a bit, you'll see the agreement notes. Now, these are internal notes. This is not customer facing. Over here are the job notes. So these notes would be automatically inserted into a job you've created from a maintenance agreement. Once everything looks good, you'll go to the top right and click Save Maintenance Agreement. And then from here, you have a couple different options. So underneath this Options tab here, you can create a job, you can create an invoice, form, attach a file photo, take a payment, or duplicate this. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions on FieldPulse's maintenance agreements, please reach out to support@fieldpulse.com and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.